free VST plugins you must have in 2025, and in this video I'm going to show you my best pick. The first plugin on this list is Classic B Amplifier, and it is by Zaz. This is a simple Class B amplifier emulation that uses Polity Wave Shaper. So let's put it to work and hear it in action. Alright guys, a quick one before I go back into the video. If you are looking for a free alternative to any paid plugin, be it a filter plugin, an EQ plugin, limiter plugin, compressor plugin, reverb, delay, whatever it is that you really need but you don't have the financial capability to get the paid ones, so you are now subscribing for the free ones, just let me know in the comments and I will try my best to get a very good one that is free for you. So let's continue with the video. Next up is a virtual instrument by an Italian developer, Giulios. I hope I pronounced that right. The plugin is called Arud Piano, and according to the developer, this plugin emulates vintage 80s Roland and Rhodes MKS digital piano. It is available both in Windows and Mac OS. So let's have a quick sound demo to hear it in action. And here we have ASFB Comp by Anto. This is a Windows 32 VST feedback compressor / limiter with sidechain capabilities. This plugin operates in two modes according to the developer, the mono mode and the stereo mode. The mono mode is where the left input is the main audio, while the right input serves as the sidechain, then with a balance knob that allows mixing the both modes. Then the stereo mode functions as a standard stereo compressor. Let's have a closer look at the key features. This plugin has a sidechain low shelf filter that can adjust from 16 Hz to 160 Hz. As you can see below here, it's very tiny, but I believe you can see that. Followed by a slight saturation that you can achieve with a hard clip at 0 dB. Then dry mix knob for blending unprocessed audio, followed by 4x internal oversampling for improved processing. Then latency but not reported due to upsampling and downsampling. And finally, CPU efficiency in mono mode, as only the main input is upsampled. The attack and release times vary dynamically based on gain reduction levels. Additionally, input, output, and dry parameters are smoothened to avoid sudden volume jumps. So let's put it to work and hear it in action. And here we have the last plugin on today's list. If you need fresh chord progressions fast, this plugin is for you. D'Bon AI Chords for instant inspiration for your tracks. This plugin is free and it can generate chord progressions effortlessly, but it is prompt based, so which means you need to describe the type of chord progression you want and instantly it will generate exactly what you described. And it is perfect for producers, songwriters, and beat makers. Let's have a demonstration so that you can see how this plugin works. Alright, so to use this plugin, simply come over to this section here where you can type in and describe the type of chord progression you are going for. So after inputting your prompt, you come over to the right here, you choose the number of chords you want to generate. As you can see, they have 4, 6 and 8. I'm going to be using 8. Then to the left here, you choose the key that you want to generate the chord on. You choose F sharp, and once you're done, you click generate. Below here you can see some interesting features it came with. You can see the velocity range, the spread, the transpose, the playback options, the master volume, the output, and this other interesting one, the bass, where you can switch from include the bass or omit the bass or split the chord and the bass, which is a very helpful feature to have on this plugin. On this section here, you can actually change the structure of the chords, depending on what you want, and you can also preview the track by clicking inside each bar. So let's say you don't want this to be on this length. You can just hover your mouse over there and drag. So as you can see, it is editable. And now, after setting everything the way you want it, the next thing you can do is to drag it from here into your DAW. So let me quickly do that. And there we have the chord, as you can see. So you can now cut it out and use VST instrument of your choice. In this case, I'm gonna use this. So paste it there. Then we'll have a lesson. So that is much for D'Bon AI Chords. If you're interested to try out all these plugins, I'll be leaving their links in the description. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please support me by leaving a like, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload new videos, you get notified. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.